Okay, so the first video in this playlist covered intro stuff and syllabus, and now I want to get into the content. So if you go underneath course content, and by the way, I set all of this to open right at 11 o'clock when on the first day. So as you said in class, all of this stuff would have just opened. I wanted to do that just to prevent any preliminary questions. So the only thing that you should have had access to before 11 o'clock today was the syllabus and then my introduction. So I wanted you to come in and sign a sign-in sheet and hear from the dean what the plan was going to be for the semester so that everyone was comfortable with that. So make sure that you get that sign-in sheet signed, and make sure that you participate in the online discussions as well. That's highly important so that I can verify attendance for financial aid purposes. Okay. So now that all of that is covered, I want to go into Chapter 2 content and show you what I have for you to do there. Okay, so I have an outline, and all of this will open right at the same time, right at 11 o'clock. So you will see the plan, and it's completely outlined by day. So you have what you're going to do on Tuesday and Wednesday, January 10th and 11th. So today, Monday, just work on the syllabus and the intro stuff. And then you have Thursday and Friday, and then campus is closed Monday, so we won't have anything that day. And then I have outlined things for Tuesday and Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday. Okay, so underneath each one of these, you will see that I have notes available for you, and also a screenshot of the homework. I do that for the first couple of sections just in case you are having trouble getting a book right away. There's no reason whatsoever, therefore, for anyone to fall behind on the homework, because if you click on the section 2.1 homework link, it'll take you to the homework for the book, okay? So, and then I have some notes. Now, these notes that are uploaded here are actually from a previous semester, but they're identical to what you will need. And the other thing that I will have underneath here is a link to a YouTube video for instructional videos. I'm working on getting them uploaded, so I'm having some issues with just getting some things done on my computer, but hopefully by the time you come in on the first day, all of those YouTube videos will be there for you. Okay, so once you look at the notes and you kind of skim over the book, you look through all of that, then you have a link here for the 2.1 homework. What I want you to do there is do your homework on paper. We're not using anything online. None of the My Math Lab, none of that. Everything is just strictly out of the book. Every day I typically look over your homework. Well, it's kind of a problem when I'm not there to collect it. So this is how we're going to do this for the first 2 weeks. I want you to click on the 2.1 homework link. That'll give you a place where you can upload your homework. So if you would scan it or just take a picture of it, I can open pretty much any kind of file. If I can't, I'll get with you and let you know that. But just upload those here to Blackboard, and I will look over your homework. I grade all homework in about the same fashion, which is if you've made a good attempt at it, you're going to get your 10 points. So it's just if you write down the question and then the answer from the back and there's no work, that can be a red flag and you're not going to get points for that. But if it looks like you made a pretty good attempt at it, you're going to get points for that. So there's no reason, as long as you're staying caught up on homework, there's no reason not to get 100 on your homework points in my class. So follow through. Every single homework session is already there. And then at the very bottom, there is a Chapter 2 homework questions link for a discussion board that will open up. And that's where you can post questions if you have any on your Chapter 2 homework. So just let me know, give me a holler. And like I said, I'll try to watch that discussion board at the 11 o'clock hour. Let me know if you have any questions. You can send me an email or you can post questions here to Blackboard. I look forward to getting into class and meeting all of you for the first time in a couple of weeks. Until then, I guess I will just see you on Blackboard.